U.S. refiners to post worst second quarter results in a decade. U.S. oil refiners in coming days are expected to report the worst second quarter results in a decade, with production outrunning demand while pandemic-related closings have sapped summer travel. Fuel consumption has tumbled, with latest U.S. data showing a 25% drop on auto travel from a year earlier and a 75% decline in passengers at airports. Refiners get the bulk of their profits from domestic fuel sales, with the June quarter among the biggest for travel. Valero on Thursday is expected to report a per-share loss of $1.41, according to IBES data from Refinitiv, compared to a profit of $1.51 a year earlier. The group's average per-share deficit will be $1.05, according to Refinitiv, compared to $1.65 profit a year ago. Refinery crude processing rates remain about 2.8 million BPD, or 17% below the seasonal average over the past 5 years. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, profits also were hurt by high inventories as refiners ramped up in anticipation of business reopenings. Refiners with retail networks could receive a boost from sales of tobacco and beer, which ticked up in the quarter and could offset lower year-on-year volumes, according to Credit Suisse. Refiners benefited as consumers who may have shopped at bigger, more crowded stores like Walmart shifted spending to smaller refiner retail locations, said Matthew Blair, refining analyst at Tudor, Pickering, Holt & Co. West Coast woes. Companies with heavy West Coast presence face added trouble because of California's second lockdown, with tech companies such as Facebook and Google having employees work from home. West Coast refining margins will be extremely weak due to a hit in driving demand. California was one of the first states to enter lockdown and has been hit again, said Blair. Marathon's Martinez, California refinery has remained idle, and at least one of PBF Energy's 2 California plants could be idle to reduce losses, Credit Suisse said. We don't see gasoline demand recovering to pre-pandemic levels in California, Credit Suisse refining analyst Manav Gupta said in a note. Most of idea, comment, information, and criticism containing in these videos have been created by Daily News Report. Before making any important investment decision, use the information contained in these videos as a starting point for conducting your own research. If you make any investment or legal decision, it is advised to consult an expert before making this decision.